These hieroglyphics make no sense. Is this an ancient Swedish code?
Step 1 complete. I think I invented modern art furniture.
This miniature tool was clearly designed for ants, not Sasquatches. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh. Swedish engineering needs improvement.
There are more pieces here than trees in my forest.
I think I need to stick to furniture that grows naturally.
When in doubt, use caveman technology. Rocks solve everything.
Well, it makes excellent firewood. Multifunctional Swedish design. Sometimes the old ways are best. Subscribe for more DIY disasters and caveman solutions.